guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, I'm Sandra D. Love. This is my first video that I should have done when I first started YouTube, but since it's something new, I really don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. But I wrote it down, so just kind of like you guys get to know me, what I'm all about, and why am I doing this, basically, you know. I actually just currently also did start vlogging videos and stuff, just so you guys can see what I do, and you know, my family, and any activities I do also. So that's also, if you guys want to just like inside scoop kind of thing, if you guys want to just watch me, then go ahead and subscribe. But this video, it's a Q&A, and it's actually like I did kind of research it because I wanted to know, like, what do you guys usually look at, and what are you guys actually interested in looking at. So these are one of my top tutorials that I should have done at the beginning, but now, you know, now I'm doing it, so it is what it is. But anyways, I'm Sandra D. Morales, MUA makeup artist, if you guys don't know what MUA stands for. But usually I show you guys how to do makeup, but this one I'm actually gonna show you guys, actually not show you, talk to you guys about my story. So anyways, if you guys like watching me interact with you and talk to you like you're right there, which is kind of weird because I'm not used to talking to you in the camera, and I'm usually talking to a person, but you know, I gotta get over that little leap. But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram should be in my description bar or right above me, which I usually have it, and it's there just for you guys to like just copy and paste and stuff. So next question, how old are you? Okay, well, let's make it interesting. Comment down below, what age do you guys think I am? I always like to ask the person that is asking me how old I am, because sometimes it's, I guess, I don't know, some people get offensive, mostly females, but some people don't want to say like, oh no, I don't want to show you, I don't want to tell you how old I am or whatnot. Do you guys see what I see? And am I the same age that you thought I was? You know what I mean? So you guys comment down below, and I'm actually 34. Where from LA are you from? LA, okay. I wouldn't say I am from LA or California, but I am from Bell Gardens, California. But I do live now in North Hollywood. Next question, where I go to school. Okay, school. So I will continue with high school. I went to Bell Gardens, obviously. Bell Gardens, California. But once I graduated from Bell Gardens, California, I went to Cerritos College. Cerritos College is a community college. I went for culinary arts, and I graduated with an associate's degree for that. Yes, besides makeup, I do know how to cook. Next question, is there any reason I started YouTube? YouTube is, I've always watched YouTube since I was, I don't know, like teenager kind of, but I never understood what was YouTube, and I just remember there were just videos and all that stuff. But my passion or my love was makeup. So once I started doing makeup, a lot of girls would ask me, how'd you do this? How'd you do that? How'd you put this? How'd you mix it with this? How'd you get your lips to look like this? How'd you get your eyebrows to look like this? And like, I mean, I could tell you like, oh, just do this and do that and do that. But some girls are a little bit like, can you show me? Like, can you teach me? And I'm like, I wish I could, but I can't because I don't got my, you know, my brushes, my eyeshadows, everything that I have, right? So some of them from when I was in culinary arts, they asked me, you should do a YouTube video, you should do a YouTube video because you could show us what you know and we could look at what you use, the products and, you know, how you're putting it and all this stuff. And not until maybe like 2019, yeah, 2019 for sure, 2019. I started little by little going and doing tutorial videos, but I didn't have all this, which is the light, the laptop, the Canon, the ring light, the backdrop. It was just like kind of like a cheesy video that you could just, you know, I could just put it on my phone. And back then, I don't know you guys, but back then I didn't have a phone. Like, I didn't have a phone in high school, so it was hard for me to actually like put it out there. But I had a little camera. It was like this. It was a Canon little camera, like this big, pink. And that was like literally like where I would take it and video and take pictures and doing all this stuff. And it was just like, oh yeah. And then I didn't have a laptop, so I had to buy a laptop. And I bought a cheapy, really cheapy, sucky laptop that crashed about like 2 years. So all my videos, all my pictures were in that laptop, and that just, yeah, it was very like disappointing, and I just got a little bit like, just get away from me because I can't do this again. So anyways, so that was that. So now I just started, I think it was last year, 2020, when Corona hit, and I started putting out videos, and you guys could see like you could see like I guess like the little episodes of like transformation that when I started and until now, you guys could see the difference. Like you could see either my face or like the quality or the setting or whatever it is, but you know, that was all me. But yeah, that's one of the ways that I started YouTube videos, because a lot of my friends would ask me, how'd you do this, how'd you do that? And even this is new for me to like talk to you like face to face and stuff. What do you do besides makeup? Besides makeup, what do? I do a lot of things, but meaning paying wise, I am a chef, I am a cook, I do food industry. So I did go to Cerritos College, like I told you guys before. Next question, how did my boyfriend and I meet? How did we meet? Okay, so since he's watching, he's probably gonna be watching this video for sure, because he's my #1 supporter. I first met my boyfriend, I was coming out from a very stressful situation that I had to take some, maybe I would take some days, but no, I had to take a month off. So when I took the whole month off from my job that I used to work at LAX, the first day that I met him was electrifying, and like it just felt like you know, like those videos when you see someone and then the wind just blows you and then you're like, you can't kind of catch your breath because of the wind. It kind of felt like that. Handshake his hand, and it literally felt like it was just me and him and nothing else. Like everything just like blurred out, and I was just like, but he was my general manager. So he was the head honcho, you would say, like the top dog. But yeah, me and him were just, I don't know, it just clicked. Like I had an initial reaction and I liked it and he liked it, and just, it was just like people say, the spark. It was just the spark one. And then people, my coworkers were like, what happened? What's this? What you guys do? Oh, what the hell? Like, and then I'm like, I can't say nothing. Couldn't say nothing. Like, that was the nerve-wracking situation. I couldn't say nothing because I hung out with all these employees that were / my friends, co-friends. Like, I was just like, and then they were like, what's up with you? What are you doing? What is this? Huh? And then I'm just like, I'm seeing someone. Who. And me knowing, like, you guys know, whoever's watching me, you guys know that I would tell you, like, I'm talking to so and so and so. You guys know, because I'm very, like, when it comes to friendships, like, I'm very blunt, and like, I'll tell you, like, yeah, that. So like, if I didn't say nothing or I didn't tell you nothing, it means something, because it means like I'm talking to someone and I don't want to tell you. So I just felt like it was just like something, like I couldn't say it. Like, I felt like I was guilty. And you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta make your sacrifice and your choices, and hopefully in the end it's the best one. So for me right now, I think that was the best choice I made, to let go of my friends and just be with my one and lonely, because that was the thing that I wanted. Like, I wanted a boyfriend really, really bad, like really bad. And I was single before him. I was single for 5 years. So that's something, like, I didn't expect it, but it came along, and I was eager to work it out and just try to commit. And if it didn't happen, hey, at least I would sleep at night and be like, hey, I tried my best. So next question: how did you deal with being with your partner 24/7 due to COVID? Easy. There's nothing wrong with nothing. Like, I would say like 2 or 3 times. Like, that was it. And there were not big discussions. It was just like, what are you doing? So I knew that I was in love with him, and I knew that he was in love with me, because I couldn't stay mad at him, like, or he couldn't stay mad at me. And then I'm just like, I want to hug him. Oh, I want to kiss him, but I love you. Like, you know, like, that's where I told my mom, and my mom was like, that's called love. And I was just like, it sure is. Yep. So we really, like, any couples that, you know, that survive COVID, or like living with each other and dealing with, you know, the highs and lows of life and whatever life throws at them, like, that was like, you should know, like, if you didn't make it, you're not gonna make it. Like, if you made it, you're gonna make it. Like, I think they gave us the hardest situation. I don't know how God works, or I don't know if it's meant to be, or I don't know if my dad sends something, like fucking alert something, like, what the hell. But tell me why my boyfriend and my brother that I lived with, they both have the same birthday. They were born January 2nd. And I was just like, man, I told my boyfriend, I'm like, I already know you. I know you because why? Because of my brother. And if I could live with my brother, then I could live with you. So I am happy that my little brother, because me and him share so many memories, it's like we're like this. Now that my boyfriend and me, we are like this. So we are like 2 peas in a pod kind of thing. Like, and then when I hang out with both of them, it's like I feel very comfortable. Like, I'm doing my makeup. But also do just subscribe, because I'll be uploading videos of my blog, meaning stuff that I do like during the week or the month too, and I'll just like cram it into a video, and then hopefully you guys like it. So have a good night. Right now it's night for me, but have a good day, have a good night. Love you guys, and please subscribe and like this video. Bye.